Hey guys, we received this Gucho solar garden outdoor statues turtle with 5 LED lights to test and try. So this one is a lawn decor tortoise statue. You can use it in a patio, balcony, yard garden or any other use. So let me just take this out. Comes in a really protective casing and you can see that it's a really good looking, nice, cute tortoise. You can just put in the small succulent or anything you want and just solar light for this thing. It's a lightweight and waterproof material that you can see it here and you have to just take out this. So let me just turn it on, put it in the sun for some time so that I can show it to you. But just to see like the quality wise, it's really nice and looks really cute tortoise. So overall looks nice and cute to me. And let me just put it outside and see. So here you can see, it looks nice in the plant or any small pot. And after the charging, let me show you that night effect thing. So in the night also looks really nice. Although these lights are brightening white, and then it's all solar charge, so power saver as well. And then a unique gift design or things to give. And yep, I will just say you can just put in some plant succulents or some fake flowers and enjoy this statue with inbuilt lights and solar power.